where did you get your surgery? Where did you get this? And I'm just like, that's crazy. Like, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to do this video for you guys today. This video is going to be about a new series I'm starting on this channel, and it is about being a curvy girl. All of the topics under that huge umbrella. It's just something that's been in my heart, so I feel like I have to do it for you guys. So if you guys want to see what this series is going to be about, what kind of topics under this umbrella I'm going to talk about, then please stay tuned and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. And let's get right into the video. Okay, so first and foremost, as a disclaimer, there's construction going on, so I'm sorry if you guys hear any of that noise. Another thing is that I did just film this get ready with me makeup look. It's very basic, very easy. So if you guys want to see that, I will link that down below in the description box. This series is something that's going to be very near and dear to my heart, because if you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys will see that I am curvy. Duh, that's why I'm doing it. But it came up as an idea like one random day, and I was like, it's something that kind of just keeps popping up every now and then. Like, the whole like aspect of being curvy, and especially now that I feel like it's a trend, which is crazy because I'm like, I've been like this my entire life. So I feel like it was something that I had to talk about. Like, I feel like there's people out there that can relate to me. Also, if I ever offend you because of anything that I'm saying, please don't take it to heart. Basically, the reason why I feel like it's a huge part of my life is because I've been curvy my entire life. I also feel like it's always been a focus, not me focusing on it, but other people. Like, I'll meet new family members. Like, I kid you not, this is real. I'll meet new family members that I haven't met, like, you know, further cousins or whatever, and the first thing that they compliment me on or mention is my curviness, my butt. I'll meet new people like in school and stuff. Same thing. I feel like it's a weird thing that I haven't been able to completely grasp my head around, and so that's why I also wanted to talk about these things. It's a journey that I'm still on. I'm trying to still accept it in a way, because because it was always the focus, I was annoyed. I was just very frustrated. I'm like, I'm so much more than this. Like, this is, and I understand like physical attributes is something that you first see. So it's, you know, people will mention it. Like, if you have really white teeth, people will be like, wow, you have really white teeth, or whatever, you know, like people will mention your attributes, but this has always been an attribute, like, I've never felt comfortable with it, is what I mean to say. Another thing is that I've heard so many times, I've heard the idea or the concept that because it's like the idea of like, if somebody's really, really pretty, people will think like, oh, she's an airhead, like she has nothing else, but she's pretty. You know, like that kind of concept is the same thing with curviness. Like, I've been called an airhead by people that don't know me, or that just assume, you know, like, obviously because they don't know me, like, oh, she's like really pretty, yeah, she must be like an airhead or something. Like, you can't be pretty and smart. It's weird. Like, it's really just stupid, honestly. But the same thing comes with being curvy, but it's not always like a positive light. Like, even in today's day and age, even though it's like a trend, which I'll get to that later, it's not always in a positive light. Like, even on my Instagram and all of that stuff, like, I'll get the most disrespectful, disgusting, you wouldn't even tell me this to my face, because it's like crazy comments all about my body. It's not always a good thing, you know. And then I started seeing a lot of women empowering me because of my curves, but at the same time there were a lot of women that was just like, oh, where did you get your surgery? Where did you get this? And I'm just like, that's crazy. Like, and it made me want to feel like I don't even want to focus on that. Like, but it's, I mean, it's me. It's a part of me that it's not going to go away. And I honestly don't want it to go away, because I've always loved looking at my body and seeing like the curves. I honestly have, but I've never like completely acknowledged it, and I never like accentuated it or wore clothes that would really like bring it out or anything, because I was always self-conscious, insecure about it because of the attention that I get because of it. And so I feel like I wanted to also make this series because I feel like there are a lot of people, I think there must be people out there that can relate or connect in that way, and I wanted to see what you guys think about it. So in this series, I am going to be talking about the pros and cons, my peers and my family members, like specific stories and everything on how it's been mentioned to me, it's been brought to my attention, my fitness journey, which it's not even a journey. I mean, everything is a journey. Life is a journey. But just fitness, like how my weight has fluctuated or diminished or whatever. I'm gonna talk about that. I'm gonna talk about how to be confidently curvy. I'm gonna talk about body shaming, so curvy versus not curvy, and how that affects me today. I'm gonna be talking about all of those things, and I'm gonna be talking about how it was growing up and how it is today and how I imagine it to be, just being curvy, and just the fact that this is a thing. It's crazy, but it's given me a platform to really like speak and connect with people. So I'm really happy for that. I'm a person that I don't like labels. I understand that as humans we categorize and we label things. That's just how our brain works. But I'm really not, like, I'm just not comfortable with the fact of labeling people. Humans are very complex. So that's why I wanted to nip this in the butt and talk about how being curvy has affected my confidence, my life, my relationships, everything. It's affected like everything. And it's something that, because I've tried to ignore for so long, the universe has just been like, it's back. Here, you have to deal with this again. You have to deal with this again. Because I feel like, and that's the way the universe works, is that it's going to give you everything. Like, if you can't overcome a problem or an issue or anything, a hurdle, it's going to keep coming back. Because at the same time, you have to just grow from it. You can't just ignore it. You can't suppress it. It's not gonna happen. It's gonna come back. So this is something that I've dealt with. If you guys have any creative names, then let me know in the comments down below. If you guys are super into this series, then also let me know in the comments down below. I'm super excited to be starting it. I actually felt a little bit nervous about, like, while I was talking about it, and I think that's just comes with the discomfort that I've just had on this subject and on this aspect of my life for a very long time. I'm very excited to bring it to you guys, and I'm very excited to hear you guys' opinions and feedback on the series. I wanted to share my story, my perspective, and my journey with you guys. So yeah, if you guys like this video, if you guys are excited for the series, then please give this video a thumbs up. Share it with your curvy, non-curvy girlfriends. Share it with your girlfriends. All of them. And thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!